Epidemic diseases broke out in flood-affected areas and 4 people including 3 children died of stomach disease in Khairpur. Due to the flood situation in Sindh, the number of epidemic diseases increased 100 times in 2 days. According to the officials of the Sindh Health Department, more than 340,000 people have suffered from various diseases due to the flood, and the affected people include children, women and the elderly. 70,480 cases of diarrhea and 9,218 cases of dysentery have been reported, while 70,585 people of asthma and various chest diseases have been reported. 2,283 cases of malaria and 335 cases of dengue have been reported in different campuses, while 64,564 cases of various diseases have been reported so far. According to health experts, in the current situation, polluted water is the cause of various diseases, so people should take special care of cleanliness as much as possible to prevent it. According to the Sindh Health Department, 13,836 people, including children and women, have been affected by various eye diseases due to floods. 82 cases of snake bite and 498 cases of snake bite have been reported. 72,553 people of other diseases have been brought to different medical campuses so far. According to the officials of the health department, medical assistance has been provided to more than 348,000 people, including children and women. On the other hand, after the rain and flood in Khairpur, stomach diseases started spreading in the affected areas and 4 people including 3 children suffering from stomach disease died, while 95 patients are undergoing treatment in different hospitals. Heat stroke, cholera, other stomach diseases became common in Tank district, while cases of snake and scorpion bites also increased. Meanwhile, in Balochistan's Nazirabad area, the flood victims have taken shelter on the streets and are waiting for food and medicine for their children.